Lesson 143, Reading Going to Work in the Morning. My job is a long distance from my home, almost 50 miles away. I have to wake up early every morning as I'm always in a rush. There's never enough time for a relaxed breakfast. At exactly 6 a.m. I get into my car and start the long drive. I usually like driving on the highway more than in the city. During the morning rush hour, it's not very enjoyable. The heavy traffic is a little bit annoying, so I always listen to my favorite classical music CDs in the car. The drive to work takes about 1 hour. Going back home in the evening after work takes even longer, maybe around 70 minutes. Lately, I've been thinking about trying to take the train to work instead of driving. That way, I could still listen to my music with headphones and even read a novel at the same time.